red counties are currently classified as underserved counties by our state government. The doctor bags are where we have graduates from our residency programs at Via Christi, Wesley, and then Smoky Hill and Salina. And as you can see, we have a lot of physicians who are practicing in very underserved areas. Those are very busy doctors. They're trying to do the best job they can in underserved areas of our state. We have a corridor kind of between Kansas City and Salina and then down south to Wichita, which is not as underserved. They're not underserved areas, and we have a lot of physicians there as well. So we did a study to find out what if we removed all of the family physicians that are produced in Wichita from this map. And we can go ahead and hit it now. But if we remove those doctors, we find that virtually the entire state of Kansas becomes underserved. And so the contribution of the Wichita physicians to the state of Kansas, both in trying to keep different counties from being underserved, but also our physicians who are working in underserved counties, and those docs are really busy physicians.